Hello everyone, here's a video to guide you on how to register for our services on the GS1 Nigeria's website. The first thing you do is to go to your browser and type in gs1ng.org. Now it takes you to our landing page. On getting to our landing page, you'll see two icons on your top right corner, which is get a barcode and member login. Click on get a barcode and it takes you to the next page, which says welcome to GS1 Nigeria. So you scroll down to get started. So type in your email address. So I have my email address as this and click on get started. So this takes you to the next page, which says the GS1 membership form. It helps you to select the sector your organization is. So if if your company is a private sector, you click on private sector. Here are the information present on the private sector, country, states, company's number, and your email. So if your company is a public sector, you select public sector. Here are the information that are required for the public sector. So for the course of this video, I'll be selecting the private sector. So you have to provide all the information required here. The company name, your CAC document number, and my tax ID as 546545. Then the CEO number, CEO name, country, state. After filling this information, you scroll down to submit company information. Now, this takes you to the next page, which is for you to choose the service you want. So you can select both GTIN and GLN. GLN is to identify your location, or you can select just GLN or select just GTIN. So, but for the course of this video, I'll be selecting both. Then I'll scroll down to continue. This takes me to the next page. So when you get to the next page shows the number of GTIN you want, the number of barcodes you want. So you can select up to 50 barcodes, but I'll be selecting 1 to 5, which is for 65,000 naira. Then you scroll down where you have the digital profile enhancement. You can also include the digital profile to give more visibility about your product. For this, I'll be selecting 5, and then Um, I'll scroll down. Here is the terms and conditions. Upon reading the terms and condition and agreeing, you're going to you're going to click on that box and scroll down to next. Now, this GLN request information, remember I chose budgeting and GLN, so you have to give the full request for the GLN. Now, if you have more than 2 physical location you want to get GLN for, you put 2. And if you have 1, as much as you want. So you scroll down, there's the amount, and then you submit all. So here's the summary of all the information I have registered. And then you scroll down to submit registration. So this is what pops up, processing your registration, and then the registration success notification pops up as well. After which you get an email that shows you the account number and the amount to pay. Then you scroll down and click here to pay online. So when you get to this page, it takes you to where you can download your invoice, and then or to click here to make your payment. So when you finish making the payment, you upload your document, and then your GCP will be allocated to you. I hope this video helps. Thank you.